Oh hey, thank you for tuning in to another video. My name is Janelle, also known as Crazy Curls on Instagram and on Twitter. Make sure to follow both accounts to keep up with me on a daily. Now, as you can see, this hair is looking a little wild, but it's washed, it smells good, and it is moisturized. So, with that being said, I'm going to do a crown braid hairstyle, and if you want to know the products I use, how I do it, and the final look, you have to make sure to keep on watching. Now, since we are gearing into the winter months, I am going to be bringing you a lot more protective hairstyles because last year during the winter I did a lot of wash and goes, and that was just too much manipulation, too much styling, and my hair didn't respond so good. So if you can relate to any of that, and if you like the end results, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to leave a comment, subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell so that you never miss another video. With that being said, let's just get straight to work. So I'm actually going to start by untangling my hair and just getting it nice and prepped by wetting it and just detangling it with a wide tooth comb. Once I'm done with that, I'm gonna come right back and we're going to get to braiding. So stick around. Okay, I am back. My hair is detangled. It looks the same, yes, but let's move forward. So I have some water and I will be using to style my hair the Avocado Moisture Cream by Nature's Little Secret. Let's get that in there. There we go. And I will also be using the Banana Leave-In, also by Nature's Little Secret. Will it focus? There we go. Okay, so for starters, I will start by parting my hair and clipping it with some clips just to make the process go faster and easier. So for starters, just as with any hairstyle, I like to start by parting my hair and making sure my parts are just the way I like them before I add water or product to style. The parting is not perfect, but especially in this area, it doesn't have to be because it will be hidden with the braid. Working with the rest of my hair, I am misting it with water before applying both styling products, not only to moisturize my hair, but to assist me in achieving a thicker braid. If I wanted a slicker look, I would have styled on soaking wet hair. Add to my ends, because those are the areas that tend to be the driest. So now I'm going to break out the avocado cream, and I'm going to do the exact same thing. So the reason I'm bunning it up is just because I want to make sure that it stays in a stretched state until I am ready to incorporate it into my braid. Now, as you guys already know, I like to braid my hair into different styles. Doing a crown braid was never difficult up until I cut off all of my heat damage and my hair was short. When my hair was tailbone length, I used to be able to wrap my hair around my entire head, and I feel like just because my hair was longer, it was easier for me to completely wrap my hair around into a crown braid. But now I find that trying this method does not work for me, and you will see why. I really do think that from here on out, I am just going to split my hair in half down the middle, braid my hair going down the opposite direction, and once I get to the bottom to my neck area, I'm just going to crisscross the braids and pin it and tuck it away with a bobby pin. As you can see here, I still am having no problem braiding my hair. I've taken down the clip and just incorporating the hair It's more so when I start reaching my ear, this specific section right here, that I have a hard time incorporating it and just making it look nice. And yeah, so off camera I tried it a few times, it wasn't working. Here you will just see me try it one time, and eventually I will just give up, and you will see the hairstyle that I will end up creating. And just let me know what you think. Do you give up when a hairstyle is not working for you? Do you keep trying? Do you remove all of it and just put your hair up in a bun? I was so disappointed just because this was a style that I used to do without a problem, but now that has changed. So, to move this video into a different direction, this is just going to be the recovery hairstyle that I decided to go with because I really did not want to slick my hair down and remove the work that I've already done. So with that section, I am just going to braid it all the way down. And here I am just removing all of the hair from the left side of my head that I incorporated into the braid, and just braid down this right half of my hair. Even here, it's like, what was I doing? It was just a hot mess. I think today just wasn't the day to do a crown braid on old hair. It just was not working out. But I still wanted to show you guys this video, and you will hear at the end of the video why. So to speed things up, I am going to cornrow that section of my head and call it a day. So I'm also going to incorporate that one braid, since I could not for the life of me I could not, incorporate it and finish that crown braid. But I found a place for it, and I just incorporated into that one braid that I'm creating right now. I even thought of crisscrossing both braids, just like I said I would do from now on, and just bobby pinning it, but it wasn't going to look nice. So I decided to just put it in a ponytail, and now just grabbing a second hair tie and putting it up in a bun and just seeing what that looks like. Now I'm just laying down my edges and trying to recover from this failed hairstyle. Please let me know what your thoughts are down below in the comments. I would greatly appreciate it. Okay, let me turn around. What do you think? Okay, so this look is officially done. I'm definitely going to put it in the failed hairstyles playlist just because the crown braid didn't work out at all. But on the upside, I do have a new style that I'm going to do. Pretty much I'm going to do the exact same thing, clean it up, make the parts, nice and neat, and just make sure my hair is all the way wet, I would say, because I tried to do it dry and you saw that my ends were looking a little crazy, and it just didn't happen today. But I'm still gonna show you this hairstyle because sometimes the hairstyles that you want just doesn't turn out the way that you want. But what can you do? Instead of taking it all down and having to slick back your hair, work with what you did and just put it in a bun. I think after I add a little bit more product to my edges, lay them down, add a little bit of product up here, lay that down, maybe redo my bun, maybe not. I'm good to go, or I'm good to go right now. It all depends on how you want to wear your look, but this is definitely a hairstyle that didn't work out the way I wanted. Hopefully this serves as an inspiration to you. If you like the fact that I kept trying, make sure to give this video a thumbs up. Make sure to leave a comment down below. What do you do when your hairstyles just don't turn out the way that you want? Do you bun it up? Do you put it in a head wrap? I think that's another idea. I might just put mine in a head wrap, I don't know. With that being said, make sure to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so that you don't miss another upload. I'm telling you now, the next video will be a recovery video and showing you exactly the look that this was trying to go for, but it didn't work out. Maybe another day. We shall see. Thank you for sticking around, and you will see what happens next on my next video. Stay tuned. You don't want to miss it.